American.
If you feel useless today, remember there is somebody working as a lifeguard at the Olympics.
Standard British.
If you feel useless today, remember somebody is working as a lifeguard at the Olympics.
New York.
Hey, like if you feel useless today, remember there's somebody at the Olympics working as a lifeguard.
Scouse.
Now, if you feel useless today, remember there's somebody working as a lifeguard at the Olympics.
Welsh.
All right, now then, if you feel useless today, remember there's somebody working at the Olympics as a lifeguard.
Devonshire.
Now then, my darling, if you're feeling useless today, remember that there's somebody working as a lifeguard at the Olympics today.
British RP.
Now, if you're feeling useless, darling, remember there's some poor sod at the Olympics working as a lifeguard. Crazy, right?